Welcome to ATP Customs. Today Matt White and I are headed to the pile of junk cars to go and haul some short boxes home. I'm not sure if the panel truck is coming home. I think it's coming home next week along with the Belvedere, but the salvage yard is finally squashing vehicles. After I think almost 40 years, we're going to be able to get to the Belvedere next week. The one I've been waiting for since I was 15 years old. But today we're hauling short boxes home so we can start building a collection of short boxes so that we can have another viewer's choice build coming up after the Mustang. We have discovered something that I made a deal on many years ago, and I forgot all about it to get it, and it's still sitting here. We have a 79 Mustang official pace car sitting back here. We have a Chevy short box already loaded up, ready to go, but we have to go see our Mustang now. Well, would you look at what we found? $1979 official pace car. That is incredible. It's got the hood, missing the engine and transmission. It is showing 15,509 on the odometer. It has a sunroof. It's all there. It looks like it needs floors. It's ugly inside. Look at that. I can't believe it. It's still here. Wow. That's coming home. Unbelievable. I'm speechless. I completely forgot about this car. I made a deal on it so many years ago. Got a dent in the back quarter panel, one there. I can't believe it, all the rockers aren't rusted out. It's covered in moss. That's just incredible. There you go. Another crazy barn find. Check that out. That's what we're doing. We're saving the cars that nobody wanted to do anything with, nobody appreciated. We're pulling beaters out of the bush and working on them and fixing them up. That's what we love to do. Bring them back to life. So it was a good day of hauling today. We got a Chevy short box 4x4, about an 85 I'm going to guess. We got a C10 Chevy short box chassis, actually two of them. So now we can build two C10 short boxes. And we got a 79 Mustang official pace car. And we are not done out there. There is a whole pile of vehicles for us to grab out there. So we'll haul this one home and get a few more pictures of them for you. So there you go. The first C10 short box chassis is home. There's another one out there that I have to get. Have made a deal on it. So my plan is to pile them all up here. I'm going to start setting them aside. And I want to build a C10 step side and a C10 fleet side. Definitely going to film with big blocks. Oh yes, acquired a 396 last night too. We have a rusty little step side 4x4. Definitely love that truck. I'm going to do that. And this awesome machine that I just dragged home today, that you never seen a box like that before. This piece of junk apparently is supposed to be a rare sport model that I have not found anything out about yet, but for some strange reason it does have factory dual shocks in it, which I have never seen on a short box myself. Obviously they make them. So I kind of think that one should maybe go back to a stock build if it actually turns out to be something unique. That one I have designed and we are going to have fun with that one. There is another step side 4x4 coming. And that one is rough. It's approximately 86 step side. And we also acquired the pace car. That's really cool. I'm very excited about the 79 Mustang pace car. And it needs floors, and it just so happens that my 1985 that I have sitting here, it has a rusty frame. I had all new floors put in a long time ago. So we're going to take the floors out of that thing, cut them all out, and fix that pace car up. Have to do it. Very excited though. I just have never come across a car, and I forgot all about that one that I had there. So what do we got? We have two C10s from 73 to 87. We have a 69 C10 that I'm going to do a 4-speed big block. I just picked up a 396. We have that short box. We have another short box coming that's got a 6-inch lift. It's about an 87. And 2 step sides. That's just, I'm losing track here. But there we go. I'm building a pile for another viewer's choice build where you guys get to pick the build. We are going to build all of them. I am hoarding not C10s, but short boxes. I'm going to try and have probably 10 of them by the end of summer, because supposedly only 10% of trucks made were short boxes. So I am piling them up. I do not care if they're rusty or not. I am going to fix them. And we will fix that pace car as well. That's very exciting. Next week's going to be a crazy week as well. Probably going to be another couple of weeks of hauling these things home between the Belvedere. We have, what else is out there? I can't even remember. There's so many out there. Yes, the panel truck, the Suburban. Oh yes, I forgot. I have a 454 SS chassis and a full air ride set up for it. So, do I build a 454 SS pickup, or do I take that chassis and put it under the 65 Suburban that's out there? Lots of ideas going right now. Just got to haul them and get them home for now. So, there you go. That's today's hauling. Thanks to my Smittybilt winch and the Rainbow trailer. I should actually do a review on this trailer, because that thing, holy, has that thing been through a lot. So I think I'll do a review on this trailer for you guys soon too. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.